All right, guys, as an upcoming content creator, I have spent a few couple of cash on content creation kits like the ring light. This is the 48 inches, sorry, 18 inches ring light. We also spend money on tripod stand, and this is the U800 plus RGB LED light. You know our epileptic power supply here. We do not have light most time, and you need these things to shoot. We've also spent money on gears like the microphone, which I'm using right now to record this video. Now, the latest the on an acquisition is the F10 Pro 3-axis gimbal, which is what we want to quickly um, unbox and then review right on the channel. And so we today want to talk about the feature of this 3-axis gimbal. And we just got this from China, though this is more like an unboxing video. So we're going to tear the nylon and then try to explain the feature of this 3-axis gimbal. What's the reason why I bought this um, tripod? Is because as a small content creator, I do not have the luxury of employing crews to shoot my videos or content. Sometimes I do solo videos alone, and this is where this really come very handy. So if you would be interested to get something like this, you can contact me somewhere in the comment section and we'll see how we can get you a piece of this. But this is the F10 Pro 3-axis gimbal for smartphones and actions camera. Now, some of the feature this thing has is that it has both horizontal and vertical switching, meaning that YouTube has a how do they call it? They have an orientation for shooting their videos, which is horizontal. Okay, if you're into Facebook content creation, their orientation is this way, not the horizontal but the vertical, so you have to keep your phone this way. But if you're shooting for YouTube content, you have to keep your phone this way. So this gimbal has both these horizontal and vertical switching, so you don't need to stress yourself calling someone to come and ask, please help me create my videos for me. It also has the type C port where you can you know connect the power to it. It also have time lapse. It's easy to operate, adjustable arm, as we are going to see. One of the most important thing about this gimbal is the face tracking, meaning that once you focus yourself, if you move, the camera is meant to move with me, but this one is not moving because I'm using a tripod to shoot this video. But in subsequent videos, when I move, the camera is going to face me because it's tracking my face. If I move to this direction, it's going to look for me and also track me. But this one, the camera is just facing this side, and I have to center myself to be in the center of the video. But with this, things are going to be a lot more easier if you're a small content creator. So these are just everything you need to know about it. So in subsequent videos, we're going to see how really this thing is working. So let's just see what is inside the pack, and that will be all for this particular video. All right. Okay, so once you remove the pack, what you have is the user manual. So this is just an unboxing video and we're trying to show you what is inside. Subsequently, we might decide to tell you how this entire tripod actually works. So if you want us to show you how it works after we have read the manual, let us know in the comment section and I'll do that. First of all, you must read the manual. Manual are meant to tell you how the device works. So I'm not just going to delve into and act as if I know much about this device. I have to read the manual and then come back to explain. If you want me to do so, I can create a video on that. So this is just to protect the device from damage. And this is the device here. So everything we need on how it's going to be how it's going to operate, we will read from the manual and then we'll apply it. So we have the on button. So it's on right now. See, it's trying to stabilize itself. I don't know how it really works, but soon we are going to do that. We're going to find out. Okay, So this is me trying to, I do not know what all this stands for, but we will know in due time. Right, right. So all that will be settled in the next video. So this is the camera, but there's a button behind this. All this we will find out about them. This is the charging port location. So basically you see that. And another feature we also have, I think this is the tripod leg for the gimbal, where you attach, where you're going to attach it to this place in case you want to keep it standing, or if you want to attach it to your tripod stand. If you want it to be lengthy, you can attach it to your tripod stand from this angle, or you just use a short tripod if you're shooting a video where you're sitting down and it's just you alone. All right, so what else do we have inside this pack is the type C cable, and this I think is to hold the tripod, and that's all. So there's nothing much here, and that's it for this particular video, guys. So we will see you when we do a proper review. So this is just like an unboxing video. Thanks, guys.